Passport fee fury, a Zimbabwean drama. Zimbabwe's parliament, a crucible of fiery debate. The issue? Passport fees. The cost? A staggering $318. The catch? Payment only in foreign currency. The local currency, the ZiG, deemed worthless. This sparked outrage. A storm of controversy engulfed the nation. Zimbabweans, already burdened by economic hardship, were left reeling. The passport, a vital document, seemed out of reach. The government's decision was a slap in the face. It eroded trust. It fueled anger. It exposed the fragility of the nation's economy. The passport fee hike was a lightning rod. It ignited long-simmering frustrations. The public questioned the government's motives. They demanded answers. They yearned for transparency. This was not just about passports. It was about accountability. It was about the government's responsibility to its people.
The opposition roared. They demanded answers. They questioned the astronomical fee hike. They slammed the exclusion of the ZiG. This, they argued, was economic sabotage. It undermined the nation's sovereignty. Parliament became a battleground. The opposition grilled the government. They exposed inconsistencies. They highlighted the plight of ordinary Zimbabweans. Their voices resonated with the public.
The government's response? Evasive, defensive, dismissive. The opposition's demands were clear: transparency, accountability, justification. They wanted to know why the passport fee was so high. They wanted to know why the ZiG was rejected. They wanted to know who was profiting from this decision. They wanted answers. The nation waited with bated breath.
The ZiG, Zimbabwe's own currency. Yet it was deemed worthless for passport applications. This was a bitter pill to swallow. It exposed the deep-seated economic woes plaguing the nation. The government's reasoning? The ZiG was too volatile. Its value fluctuated wildly. It was unreliable. But this explanation rang hollow for many. The government's economic policies were blamed for the ZiG's instability. Hyperinflation had ravaged the currency. Confidence had eroded. The public felt betrayed. Their own currency deemed unfit.
The passport fee controversy brought the ZiG's woes into sharp focus. It highlighted the government's economic mismanagement. It exposed the deep-seated distrust in the country's financial system. The public questioned the government's commitment to stabilizing the economy. They felt abandoned. They felt cheated.